Hi, I'm Denise, and I'd like to thank Rotorazer for sending me this product for my review. It's perfect for us DIYers because not only is it lightweight, versatile, and easy to use, but it's also durable and super powerful. With it, I was able to complete 2 projects, simple projects, but important tasks that I needed to get done. And so let's get to it. I'm going to be using the Rotorazer 7-in-1 saw to repurpose this cabinet, which was hanging in a friend's home. I'm a personal trainer, and so I am going to make it useful for me by cleaning it up and then turning it into utility storage for my fitness equipment. After I clean it, then what I need to do is add pegboard to the back, which I have to cut and fit, and then I'll be able to put my equipment in. Going to make this old cabinet useful, bring it back to life. So it's funny that when you're working on one project, then other ones come to mind. And so before I cut my pegboard, I need to go ahead and cut some boards to extend my daughter's bed. She has a bed, she's going away to college, and she has a bed that the drawers are under, but right now they're set too far in. And because she is very tall, that means she has to get low to get under. So what we're going to do is we're going to make extensions so the doors can come further out. So I need to cut some boards for her. Make sure you always wear safety glasses. All right, now let's get back to our project. Hi everyone, so this is my daughter Mackenzie.
Hey everyone.
And here's the bed that I had mentioned before. As you can see, she's pretty tall, and the way that this bed is, the drawers, you have to reach far under, and so she really has to get low to do that. It's great to have underbed storage, but you want to be able to access it easily as well. So what we want to do is we want to put these extender boards that we cut to widen out the base and bring the drawers further out to the side. And so I'm going to come around and she's going to go ahead and set those in. Now it's awesome because the drawers are literally practically at the outside edge of the bed, so it'll make it so much easier. It's really nice to have the Rotorazer Saw to be able to do something when you need something as simple as this, to be able to have a tool that is easy to use, to do a simple project so you can do it yourself. Okay everyone, so as a DIYer, that doesn't always mean making everything from start to finish. Because of what we want to do whenever possible is we want to keep things out of the landfill, and we can use our skills and our creative ideas to be able to do that. And so this cabinet again was going to go into the landfill, but instead we've saved it, we've rescued it, we've repurposed it, and now it's going to be life-changing for me because of here I've got a way to store all of my equipment, all the way from, well, it's not everything, but we've got my balance and agility equipment in here, as well as my suspension training and strength training, some of that equipment, as well as down here, I could even fit my battle rope and my agility ladder, and also my foam roller and mat. And so those things that always trying to figure out where to put them or keep them out of the way, they're all nice and organized. And so, again, rescued this and turned it into something super useful. We're good to go. Sometimes when you're a DIYer, it's not always about making a big, complicated, fancy project. Sometimes it's just about getting things done. And when you have a tool that is simple and easy to use, then you won't hesitate to reach for it anytime that you need to get something done. And the Rotorazer definitely gets the job done. So you want to make sure that you have one on hand So you'll be able to do all of those simple or those big complicated projects. Go to buyrotorazer.com to get your very own Rotorazer. For us DIYers, this really is the power saw that does it all. It's called the Rotorazer 7-in-1 because it does the work of a tile saw, a hand saw, a miter saw, a hacksaw, a band saw, a jigsaw, and even a circular saw. So that's 7 different saws that you don't need if you have the Rotorazer. So let's talk about what you get when you get your Rotorazer and what makes it so special, some of those great benefits. So first, of course, you get the Rotorazer itself, and it is, again, sturdy, well-made product, and it feels heavy in your hand, but at the same time, you see I'm holding it with one hand. So it's lightweight, but you can feel the heft of it to know that it can get the job done. Now, also, it comes with everything that you need all in one awesome case. And so here's the dust collecting hose. One end attaches to your Rotorazer right here to collect the dust as you are doing your job. And the other end attaches to your wet or dry vac. And there's even an adapter if needed. It also comes with an Allen wrench, and that is to be able to change your blades. So it comes with 3 different blades. One is already loaded inside your Rotorazer when you get it, and that's a tungsten carbide blade. Also, you want to be careful when you handle these because they are sharp. It comes with a high-speed steel blade and also a diamond blade. Between all 3 of these blades, that means you're able to use your Rotorazer on all types of different materials, from PVC, drywall, carpet, and hardwood, to ceramic tile, plastic, steel, metal, and even marble. So let's talk about some of the features on the Rotorazer itself. First, we have this measuring guide, and this gauge will hold it in place up to 26 millimeters or 1 inch, allowing you to set the depth of your cut. And then you have this line guide to help you follow and cut straight if that's what you want to do, or even if you're following a pattern to be able to see where you're cutting. Also, we have this release here. So this is a safety. Unless it's depressed, the plate and saw will not come through. So the plate will not move. So that is one of the safeties, but the other is that to turn the saw on, the start here, you need to push it forward and in. All of those must be in place. You must press the release, press forward, and squeeze for the saw to turn on. The Rotorazer really is a powerful tool that can get the job done. I would give it a rating of a 4.5. It's super powerful and can be a little bit intimidating, but you definitely want to have one on hand. So then that way you're able to have it at your fingertips whenever you need it. And it is as simple as that. Just power at your fingertips. Go to buyrotorazer.com and get yours. I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, be sure to hit the red subscribe button. It will help us to be able to grow this channel and be able to create more content for DIYers like us. Also, be sure to hit the bell icon. That way you'll get notified whenever there's a new video. Be sure to click on the description below so you can find out more information and get a very special offer from Rotorazer.